Here we've got LG K61, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and here you've got the timer icon. It is in the right upper corner, and if you click once you will be able to activate 3 seconds delay, then 5 seconds delay, and lastly 10 seconds delay. So let me show you how it is working. Once the delay is activated, just grab a picture, and at first you will see the countdown. Meanwhile, you can prepare yourself to the picture or do whatever you want to. And now as you can hear, the sound is a bit changed when you've got 3 to 1 and the picture has been grabbed. Then just click once and the camera timer has been switched off and you can grab pictures immediately after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.